10 signs. Your partner doesn't love you, even if you think they do. We're going to take a hard look at the warning signs that your partner might be headed out the door. Relationships require effort. If your partner is constantly making excuses, always too busy to connect, that's a big red flag. If they're not making that effort, you got to ask yourself, why not? Physical touch is a powerful way to connect with your partner. Holding hands, cuddling, a good morning kiss, these are signs of affection. When those things fade away, it can be a sign that something's not right. If your partner used to be affectionate and now shies away from your touch, it's time to talk. Communication is key in a relationship. If your partner is constantly interrupting you, dismissing your concerns, or not paying attention, that's a problem. It shows a lack of respect and interest in your life. Nobody's perfect, but a loving partner should support you. Constant criticism and negativity are toxic. If your partner is always finding fault with you, that's a sign they don't appreciate you. You deserve someone who celebrates your strengths and helps you with love. Honesty and transparency are the foundations of a strong relationship. If your partner is secretive about their phone, finances, or whereabouts, that's a major red flag. It could be a sign of infidelity or a lack of trust. Either way, it's a problem that needs to be addressed. A loving partner should be your biggest cheerleader. If your partner is constantly putting you down or discouraging you, that's a problem. They're acting like someone who's threatened by your success. You deserve a partner who wants to see you shine. Emotional intimacy is crucial in a relationship. If your partner is emotionally unavailable, it creates a huge disconnect. It's like they've built a wall around their heart. When you're in a committed relationship, your partner becomes part of your life. If your partner avoids spending time with your loved ones or is dismissive towards them, that's a red flag. It shows a lack of respect for you and your relationship. Your partner should be a priority in your life. If your partner consistently puts others ahead of you, that's a sign they don't value your relationship. It's like you're always an afterthought. We all make mistakes, but when you love someone, you own up to them. If your partner refuses to take responsibility or constantly blames you, that's a deeper issue. It shows a lack of respect and willingness to grow. If you recognize any of these signs, it might be time to have an honest conversation with your partner. Remember, you deserve to be loved and valued. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship advice.